with one of my friends, Wallaby Wade. Well, he's in town from Australia.
G'day, it's good to see you. It's a pleasure to be here in Brownsville, Kentucky. I'm working at Kentucky Down Under for the summer. Gonna try and enjoy it here. Gonna see how everything goes. That's pretty neat.
I like your accent. Where you from?
Technically from over on the western side of Australia. It's over in Perth. You've ever been over there?
No.
It's sort of like what Los Angeles is to the United States over America.
What's Los Angeles?
Like to see it in California?
What's California?
This is America.
This is America. Don't get you slipping now.
That's what I said.
Okay. This is America.
What's California? Why are you here?
I'm glad you asked. I'm excited to be here. I'm gonna be looking for, can I help you?
Yeah, I got a question.
What's that?
How many?
How many what?
How many?
How many weeks, months?
It's not
Animals?
that hard. How many? How many?
14.
Oh!
Anyways, I'm here today. We're gonna look for some wild animals, see what kind of wildlife we have here in Kentucky. And also, I'm gonna show you how to use this boomerang right here. And also, we're gonna look for, gonna try to call us some wild animals as well. So it's gonna
What
be
kind?
a true experience.
What kind?
You'll see here in a second.
Okay, what kind though? I'm just from...
Today, I'm gonna show you how to use a boomerang. Have you ever tossed one before?
No.
Alright, so this is what you do right here. You want to hold it like you think you would want to throw it this way. Well, actually, it's kind of like this way. And this is what happens right here. You want to try to give it a little hook in the air, and it's going to come right back to you. You watch right here. So usually there'd be a little bit more of a wind coming in your face, and that's what makes it come back to you, but apparently you guys don't have wind here in Kentucky. You have wind?
No.
I have a question.
Yeah?
This is America.
This is America. Don't get you slipping now.
Say Kentucky, which is in America.
No. This is America.
Land of the free, home of the brave.
Right here, what you want to do, face it out like this. There you go. Then you just let it rip up in the wind.
That's
Hey,
pretty
that's
neat.
pretty impressive right there. First timer. You guys look, I guess. Alright, so where's some places that you got some wild animals? See, you have some nice little doggos right here. Is there anyone else? Anywhere else?
Yeah, I know. I'll take you right
Okay.
now. Okay. Okay. We didn't have any luck calling that boy last time, so I came to town to see if maybe he's hanging out here. So let's try again. Ribbit! 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 That's why you always use pack a gun. Pack a gun.
When did you get that? You had that for a while?
Yeah, bro.
Crikey, what's that?
That's just a mermaid. She's pretty neat. We're very strict about no frogs at the pool. Frogs aren't very neat. Pretty neat. So thanks for coming and showing us cool things, and I hope you have fun when you go back to Austria, and I
It's my pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
It's pretty neat.